just set up a ramp on top of this hill, so should get some pretty good air on it. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So we just picked up this Arrma Fury, and I'm really excited about it. We're at the local track right now. We're about to unbox it, check it out, and then see if we could do some laps. So this thing is about 200 bucks right there. Man, this thing just looks amazing. I mentioned it before, Arrma makes some of the best bodies in my opinion. I really like how the body sticks out, so look at that. Tires go right over it so they don't rub. That's awesome. This is kind of like what the Arrma Gorgon has, but this thing doesn't, you don't have to even slide this thing out all the way. You just click it in and click it out. So that is actually pretty awesome. That's actually really cool. The chassis does look like it's kind of like the Arrma Gorgon. Sweet suspension, some nice shocks. So here's what comes in the box. So you do get a battery. This is ready to run, so it has everything. Oh look, I think, wait a minute, I think Arrma gave some tools too. Oh, check this out, that is awesome. And you get a charger. So here's the charger that comes with it. So instead of using the battery that came with the car, we're gonna go ahead and use this LiPo battery. Since we're running in LiPo, we gotta take this little tab, pick it up, and just move it one slot over, and that's it for the LiPo. So here we are, just a little slot. Just like that. Now we can run LiPo. So it does have different speed limits. So you have 50%, 75, 100. We're going full 100 right away. Dang, that is nice. So I believe out of the box, this thing goes about like 23, 24 miles an hour. Obviously, you know, if you convert to 3S, this thing would be a beast. But it is two-wheel drive, so handling would be a little difficult, but this thing's pretty awesome. Man, that suspension just looks so cool when it leans. Yeah, that thing just drifts really nice. This thing is two-wheel drive, so you got to be careful with the throttle. Ooh, nice. See if we can hit it. Oh, barely. Let's do that one more time, but I want to see if I can at least clear to the landing. Go a little bit wide and then go, go, go. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Okay, that jump is tricky in the back. Dude, it's hitting most of the jumps here. Ah. I mean, this thing is cool on the track. I see this mostly like, you know, for kids, just bashing in the yard, maybe skate park. Track is a little hard, especially, it might be a little hard on the track for kids if they're just getting into it, because it is pretty slippery, and like I said, since it's wheel drive, the back slides out pretty easy. But for bashing, skate parks, you know, just around the neighborhood, this thing's pretty cool. Okay, we just set up a ramp on top of this hill, so should get some pretty good air on it. Woo! I mean, it's pretty sandy up here, and as long as you don't lose momentum, it's not bad. Ah! Okay, we had pretty fun bashing this thing. I kind of missed the Senta now after bashing this guy. Once you get used to the speed, I'm sure people are going to be upgrading this thing to like 3S. Well, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.